This handsome guy is Freddie. Freddie's 2-3 years old. He got into rescue because his owner, original owner, who bought him from a pet store and bragged about how much money she spent on him, moved out and left him behind. So he ended up with a woman who's into cat rescue, thank goodness. And much as she hates to give him up, here he is, because there's tons of cats out there that need rescue. He's really, really friendly. He's pretty much all vetted and ready to go home. He's lived with other kitties successfully and a big dog. Loves people. Loves people. Loves attention. Likes to sleep with people. Has never been around little kids, but I suspect he'd be okay with well-mannered little kids. So all we need to do with this guy is introduce him to the other kitties here. See how he does, and he will do just fine. He's got to go to the vet to get microchipped, and then he's going to be all ready to go home, aren't you, Fred? Nice boy. More pictures and more movies of Fred